Did MC Light's marriage fall apart because of cheating or secrets? Let's break it down.
Want to know one of the easiest ways to blow up on YouTube and start making thousands of dollars every month? Here's the secret. It's all about the celebrity news niche. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to create your own viral celebrity news videos using AI. Watch this video to the end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's jump right in. Step 1. Find trending topics. First things first, let's find a hot trending topic. There are tons of ways to do this. You can check out online articles, scroll through social media, or even watch what's popping on celebrity gossip pages. Another strategy is to study faceless YouTube channels that are already posting viral celebrity news. This way, you'll always have content that resonates with your audience. When picking a story, make sure it's fresh, juicy, and attention-grabbing. For this tutorial, we'll be using a topic from a trending celebrity news channel. The topic we're going with is MC Light confirms her husband's secret double life. With a topic this explosive, we're ready to create a show-stopping video that's guaranteed to grab attention. Step 2. Generating script. Now it's time to create our script. Just click Show Transcript in the description to copy it from the reference video. Head over to the ChatGPT, paste your script, and type this prompt at the end. Generate a 1-minute engaging YouTube video script for my celebrity news channel based on the script above. Click Enter, and ChatGPT will rewrite it into a smoother, more polished version that's perfect for your channel. Step 3. Download video material. Start by heading to Google and searching for pictures related to this topic. Take your time to find high-quality, sharp, and visually engaging images. These will help your video look more professional and hold your audience's attention. Avoid using blurry or low-resolution images since they can bring down the overall vibe of your video. Download your favorites that match your story and save them to your device. For video clips, hop over to YouTube and search for content related to your theme. You can get these clips easily using Edimakor. Just go to the media section. Step 4. Generating voiceover. Next, let's turn our script into a professional voiceover. And for this, we'll use HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can grab the link in the description below. We'll be using this a lot in this video. Once it's installed, open it up and click New Project. At the top menu, go to Audio. Then select Text to Speech. Paste in the script we generated earlier. Make sure to turn on Split into Subtitles. This will automatically create clean, synced captions and save you a ton of editing time. Now it's time to pick a voice. You can filter by language, accent, use case, gender, and age, or even use your own cloned voice under My Voice. Once you've found the perfect match for your video's vibe, just click Generate. Edimakor will then work its magic, transforming your text into a smooth, professional voiceover in seconds. Step 5. Background music. For background music, just head to Edimakor's built-in music library under Audio and pick a song you like, or even better, use the AI music tool to create the perfect song for your video. If you want to know how to generate perfect AI music, leave a comment below, and I'll make a tutorial for this. In this tutorial, I'll choose this as the background music. Step 6. Editing. The final step is bringing everything together through editing. First, import all the images and clips you downloaded. If the image is too blurry, you can use Photo Enhancer to improve the quality. Arrange them on the timeline to sync perfectly with your voiceover. Make sure each part of the narration matches the right visuals to keep your audience hooked. To make your video flow smoothly, add transitions between clips. Smooth transitions not only look professional, but also keep viewers interested. For extra impact, add simple effects like zoom in or subtle movements to make your visuals more dynamic. Once your visuals are ready, drag in your background music. Lower the volume just enough so it supports your voiceover without overpowering it. When you're done, watch the entire video from start to finish to make sure everything feels seamless. If you're happy with the final product, click Export, set the resolution to 4K for the best quality, and download it to your device. Now let's check out the finished video.
Did MC Light's marriage fall apart because of cheating or secrets? Let's break it down. MC Light married John White in 2017 after meeting on Match, but just 5 months later, they separated, and by 2020, she filed for divorce, citing irreconcilable differences. Light denied the money drama, revealing they had a prenup and that John never tried to take her assets. She later admitted the split was heartbreaking, but said letting go was the only way to find peace. But was John really the one hiding something? Or was it Light? Let me know what you think in the comments below.
If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.